Top 25 online niches. While it's difficult to definitively rank all 25 niches because popularity and profitability can fluctuate, here's a possible order for the top niches from 1, most profitable, to 25, least profitable, based on general market trends. 1. Health and fitness, large, engaged audience with consistent product demand. 2. Wealth building, perennial interest in financial improvement. 3. Technology, fast-paced industry with constant product releases. 4. Fashion and beauty, large audience with repeat purchases. 5. Lifestyle, broad niche with various sub-niches. 6. Software as a service, SaaS, businesses always looking for solutions. 7. Gaming, massive and dedicated audience. 8. Education, growing demand for affordable learning options. 9. Pet care, people treat pets like family and spend on them. 10. Travel, industry rebounding with pent-up demand. 11. Hobbies, diverse audience with niche interests. 12. Home security, growing concern for safety. 13. Personal finance, important for everyone's well-being. 14. Dating and relationships, universal human needs. 15. Renewable energy, growing environmental awareness. 16. Lawn care, importance of curb appeal. 17. DIY and crafts, enjoyment of creating and personalizing. 18. E-commerce and online shopping, convenience and variety. 19. Music and instruments, passionate audience with ongoing needs. 20. Business supplies, essential for business operations. 21. Green cleaning products, health-conscious consumers. 22. Web hosting, foundation for online presence. 23. Event tickets, experiences and entertainment. 24. Subscription boxes, convenience and discovery. 25. Make money online, broad, competitive, low barrier to entry. There are a couple of reasons why make money online itself isn't considered a top affiliate marketing niche. Here's why. Broad and competitive, the make money online niche is very broad. It encompasses a wide range of sub-niches, like affiliate marketing itself, freelancing, e-commerce, etc. This makes it difficult to stand out and target a specific audience. Top niches are more focused, allowing for deeper audience connection and content creation. Low barrier to entry, anyone can claim to be a make money online guru, leading to a saturated market with a lot of low-quality information. It can be hard to build trust and establish yourself as an authority in this space. Focus on selling versus value. The make money online niche often prioritizes selling specific programs or products over providing genuine value to the audience. Top niches focus on building trust and offering valuable content before promoting affiliate products. However, there is a caveat. While make money online isn't a top-tier niche, elements of it can be incorporated into successful affiliate marketing strategies within other niches. For example, if your niche is about health and fitness, you could create content about make money online through fitness coaching. This would target a more specific audience and offer valuable content within your chosen niche.